This video is intended to give you an overview of the operator's manual for the Advance SC450. It is important to first read the manual, then watch this video to give you a more in-depth understanding of a few elements that will be of initial importance. Whenever in the operator's manual you see this sign, it means that not adhering to this part of instructions can put the operator's life in danger. On page 5, we will go over a few warning labels. Warning: carefully read all the instructions before performing any operation on the machine. Warning: do not wash the machine with direct or pressurized water jets. Warning: do not use the machine on slopes with a gradient exceeding the specifications. Always protect the machine against the sun, rain, and bad weather. Both under operation and inactivity, store the machine indoors, in a dry place. This machine must be used in dry conditions. It must not be used or kept outdoors in wet conditions. Take all necessary precautions to prevent hair, jewels, and loose clothes from being caught by the machine moving parts. This machine cannot be used on roads or public streets. Please refer to the manual for all necessary warning information, and remember, if not followed, you may put yourself and others at risk of injury or death. Technical data. The width of the squeegee is 30 inches. The width of the cleaning wheel is 20 inches. The machine can hold 10.5 gallons of cleaning solution. Standard battery autonomy, life of the battery in use, is 2 hours. In the manual and video, you will hear a term of wet batteries. The batteries we have been supplied are not considered wet. The batteries inside our machines are smart batteries. In Figure 4, it shows how and when approaching baseboards and walls, you should only do so from the right side of the machine. You should approach at the angle shown because this will allow the guard wheel to contact safely to the surface and prevent the machine from damaging anything. Machine overload. Anytime you are using the machine and having trouble pushing it forward or stuck on an object that slows down the speed of the wheel, it may cause an overload on the electrical circuit of the machine, and it is advised to stop the machine immediately. Tank emptying. An automatic float shutoff system, 30, turns off the vacuum system when the recovery tank, 16, is full. The vacuum system deactivation is signaled by a sudden increase in the vacuum system motor noise frequency, and the floor is not dried. After using the machine. After working before leaving the machine, 1. Turn the brush pad holder switch and the vacuum system switch, 41 and 42, to 0. 2. Remove the brush pad holder as shown in maintenance chapter. 3. Empty the tanks, 15 and 16, as shown in the previous paragraph. 4. Perform the daily maintenance procedures. See the maintenance chapter. 5. Store the machine in a clean and dry place with the brush, pad holder, and the squeegee lifted or removed. Maintenance that should be performed daily are battery charging, squeegee cleaning, brush usher pad cleaning, tank and vacuum grid with float cleaning, and cover gasket check. In the manual, it recommends to clean the squeegee after every use. However, with PetSmarts, we recommend cleaning the squeegee after every 3 to 4 rows or shopping aisles. This cleaning does not require you to remove the squeegee from the machine, but instead to use a paper towel and wipe the squeegee blade free of debris and pet hair. Once again, please read the manual thoroughly, and when you feel you are ready, take the test labeled Machine Maintenance 2.